In front of me is Honor 600, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, make sure to have apps you wanna switch to installed on your Honor. I want to use Firefox, so after downloading it, I can go into settings. After entering settings, scroll a tiny bit to click on apps. Now you need to click on default apps over here and tap on one of those sections you wanna manage. As I mentioned before, I want to change my browser, so I have to click here. Tap on Firefox to apply it as my new default and go back. All of your changes will be successfully applied, so just tap on the back button to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!